Today we're doing something new. We're going with Corpse Company, Corpse Crunchies. We have freeze-dried raw duck feet and air-dried rabbit ears for our wonderful dog Midas, who's going to try them out for you and see how he likes them. Hold up.
These look so gross.
Lila likes the duck feet. Let's see how Midas likes it.
Midas, come here. Sit. 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 Now. Is it good? Is it good, baby? Good boy.
Midas must really like it. Next we have the rabbit ears. Lily, let's see if Midas likes it.
Shake.
Gentle.
No,
Oh,
shake.
shake. Shake. Gentle.
All he's doing is sniffing it to see if it tastes good or not. I don't think he wants a fur on it. I think he
Oh my
wants.
god.
Well, hand it to him.
Here.
It's way too big. Eat it. There you
Oh,
go.
there he goes. I guess this one's Midas approved too. Girls say thank you to Corpse Company.
Thank you, Corpse Company. Thank you, Corpse Company.
And everybody go to Corpse Company Dog Treats and get your dog some of these tasty treats, all natural. Thank you.